Welcome, my name is Andrej Mocicka. I'm the Country Manager for One Spatial Australia, and welcome along to our webinar. Is data stressing you out? As data users, we know the problems and headaches that bad data can cause. We're here today to introduce the FME Data Spa, the place where users learn about best practices, experience soothing tips and tricks, and treat their data stresses. With services like data detox, automation, relaxation, workflow wraps and packs, you'll leave the spa feeling rejuvenated and invigorated to use your data. Sit back, relax, and pretend you're that lizard in that spa, and we'll try to de-stress you with the clues on how FME will help you. So sit back, relax. The first thing I would like to do is introduce the One Spatial Australia team. Andrew Bashfield is our sales manager. Simon Laird, our services lead. Emma Yates, our marketing manager. Tom Farrington, senior consultant. Daniela White, our sales support. Priyantha Palagama, senior consultant. Sam McDonald, senior consultant. Ilse Britz, senior consultant. And Michael Studdard, sales consultant. This is a crew of One Spatial team. Myself, as I've introduced, I am the country manager for One Spatial. Throughout today, there's a wellness team that will be running and looking after your needs for today. We have Emma Yates, marketing manager. Emma, she will be looking after all at the back end with the webinar, making sure that we work through any issues that may happen, trying to make sure that this presentation runs as smooth as we possibly can. Andrew Bashfield, our sales manager, will be coming on later to talk about what we offer from the FME side of things as far as product and training. Simon Laird, our services lead, who will be presenting to you fairly shortly what's new in FME 2020. And Tom Farrington, senior consultant, who will be organising and arranging for answering of any questions that may be asked during the session. With One Spatial, we've been in business in the spatial business for over 50 years, developing and providing innovation and geospatial solutions for the spatial industry. We have offices all over the globe, with head office being in Cambridge in the UK, with offices in Ireland, France, Belgium, Tunis, US, and within Australia. Within Australia, we have two offices, head office being in Sydney and an office in Melbourne, as well as technical support staff located in Canberra and in Brisbane. So we have the Eastern Seaboard well and truly covered, and with regard to the other states, we have our phone number that you can call us on, or support@onespatial.com, where we will answer any technical questions that you may have, as well as any commercial questions. As you can see that we do work with technical partners, quite a few of them, but in particular, we'll be talking today about the fact that we are a safe partner, and we are an accredited safe platinum distribution partner, and we have staff with the professional accreditation, server accreditation, certified trainers. We are also AWS certified with regard to the FME Cloud, as well as being FME Cloud Premier MSP, and we provide this quite happily to all our safe customers throughout Australasia. As I mentioned, we are a platinum distribution partner. We have been doing the FME World Tour since 2011 when they were first started, and we continue to do that and look forward to continuing to provide that. We provide support for FME desktop, server, and the cloud. As I mentioned, we have skilled certified global staff all across the globe in desktop, server, professional and certified trainers. Within Australia, we provide services where we facilitate product evaluation for clients. We provide consultancy work or consultancy services with regard to FME and our other products that we provide. Public and bespoke training services, both online and at our training centres. Naturally enough, with COVID, we are not able to do face-to-face, but we'll have more detail on that later. And our technical support, as I mentioned, where support at onespatial.com will get you an answer quickly. Gifts and spa etiquette. While we are working online, unfortunately, we can't give you the swag, but we will be posting out to you the eye masks that would normally have been handed to you. We will be providing you feedback forms in an electronic form, and we'll talk about that later. And also, normally at the World Tour, we hand out the FME Transformer reference guides, and this year's would have been 2020. We don't have them to hand to you physically, but you can obtain them from the onespatial.com/FME, and Emma is now posting to the chat where people can hook onto that if you want to download it now and get a copy of it for your needs. What will be different about what we're going to do is we're actually selecting some of the key features that we believe are important to let people know about within FME 2020. But most importantly, we're letting you listen to your colleagues who will be showcasing some amazing local examples of FME in use.